Anyone can print a number on a spec sheet, but not everyone can prove it. We've seen the claims, 420 horsepower, 430, even 450. But when it comes time to deliver, it's a different story. Because advertised horsepower isn't certified horsepower. And when you're buying performance, you deserve more than inflated claims and fine print. At MasterCraft, we don't round up, we show up. Our Ilmore 5.3-liter GDI is rated at 380 horsepower. Not about 380, not tested up to. Actual, certified, repeatable. And here's the kicker. It punches harder than some competitors' 6.2s. Our 6.2-liter GDI, 440 horsepower, claimed and certified. No asterisks, no vague numbers, no BS. Just straight up muscle that shows up every single time you throttle down. Want to talk supercharged? We've got 630 horsepower with torque that doesn't dip when you need it most. Built to be pushed, engineered to keep cooling. Other engines peak and fade. Ours keeps climbing. That's the MasterCraft difference. Performance backed by proof, power you can feel, reliability you can trust. While others warn you not to push the limits, we built our engines to do exactly that. So go ahead, throttle down, power up. And the next time someone throws out a number, ask, can they prove it? We can, every time.